Ah, hello. Yeah, whatever. Anybody watching Vader Zim? Yay, more puppets. You're not going to burp and burn my ear off, are you? Hey, I think he likes me. Yay, more puppets. Yeah. Hi. I'm the Awful Chef. And, now that my friend has gone away, we can discuss instant food. Yes. How many fast dishes begin with a breaded and fried chicken patty? Chicken breast. You know, you have tonkatsu or chicken katsu. You have chicken schnitzel. You have chicken parmesan. And you have even buffalo chicken sandwiches. Favorite bar food, loaded with fat and salt, guaranteed to make you drink a lot of beer. If you're in the mood to drink a lot of beer, that's not such a bad thing. So, ta-da! It's not instant food if you have to make it. Yep, that is a breaded and fried chicken patty purchased at a local big box store in a big bag. I got a lot of these. Question is, what do you do with that? Because if you do it wrong, it's kind of disgusting. The answer is this. Yeah, it's kind of junkyard cooking, I got to admit that. But what it comes down to is a rack and a pan and an air gap between the two in my countertop convection style onion. Yes, my convection onion oven. Oh, that calls for more chicken stock. Good. So anyway, you set that up. You put the chicken patty on the rack over a pan, throw it in your oven, cook it until it's warm or hot inside. If you can't do it like that, you can always try the parchment paper and a little bit of olive oil and kind of fry it that way. That's pretty good too. So what do you do when you have a cooked, thawed chicken patty? Well, you can throw a little marinara and some parmesan on it, and you have chicken parmesan. You can throw a little tonkatsu sauce on it and have chicken katsu. Put that on top of a bowl of rice. You can throw a little bit of mushroom gravy on it and have chicken schnitzel. Yeah. Or, if you're in the mood, you can add a little buffalo sauce. In this case, I bought the bottle just to taste it. Buffalo sauce is nothing more than melted butter and Tabasco. Add a little blue cheese on top, or you can make it into a blue cheese dressing, you know, blue cheese, sour cream. Yeah, it's that easy, but then you get too much sauce on the bread and it gets kind of messy. A little buffalo sauce, a little blue cheese, onions, tomatoes, and lettuce, and you got yourself a buffalo chicken sandwich. Yeah, bar food at home. It's that easy. Check out Instant Food French fries. Make those up as well. So, thank you. I am the Awful Chef. This is social media. Please be social and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.